Come here.
Ava, put your pants on.
Come here.
Uh-oh.
Whoa. Stand up.
Do you want your pants on? Those your pants, Ava? Do you want them on? Put them on. One leg at a time. This is what Ava does. She just walks around with stuff and talks. Are you picking up?
Yeah, that's your undershirt. That's your undershirt. That has to go on. Oh, you want your pants instead?
What are you doing, Ava? What are you doing?
Where's your baby? Where's your baby? Go find your baby.
Baby's in there.
Go get your baby. Go get your baby. Go get your baby, Ava. Go get your baby. Go get your baby. Go get your baby.
Is that your baby? Yeah, that's your baby. Yeah, that's your baby.
Go get your baby. Yay! Can you pick her up? Pick her up.
Good girl. Is that your baby? Yeah, I see it. It's a pretty baby. Ava, can you give the baby kisses? Give the baby kisses.
She's like, I got the baby. What else do you want from me?
Alright.
Can you say bye?
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Ava. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye.